As you can see, we got the audio fixed, but I just want to take a moment. I took a pay cut to fly drones, and initially it was a hobby of mine, and then I bought my own drones to do my own service business and started my business. And looking for contract work, ran across the posting for a job for flying full-time W-2 position for a company, and I ended up taking it. And job is a job. All of it's going to get old after a while. Flying the drones is still fun. The biggest thing, sometimes you just got to make those choices to chase something that's different, and I'm glad I did. I really am. So we're flying down in North Carolina, and we're out on the Outer Banks. So of course it's a lot of work out in the field, and then a lot of work with the data when you get home. But it's there's some downtime in between that you can enjoy it, and it's pretty nice. So anyways, hopefully get some more videos out this week. I've got some stuff I'm working on. It's going to be pretty interesting. The drone I've named Albatross, I'm going to actually do that as a step-by-step build and actually probably show the process. It's going to be a test bed for a commercial drone project I'm going to be working on, and hopefully it'll turn out pretty nice. But you guys are going to get to see kind of the step-by-steps of building one from scratch. I'm not going to show all the details, flashing the board and setting all the parameters, but I'll show some of it. There's a lot of it out there on the Arducopter and in various wiki pages. But I mean, this is the view from the hotel room. It's pretty awesome. So my hotel room is right back there. So they've got some rooms with a better view. They're on the other building on the third and fourth floor, but quite a bit more expensive. So obviously we have to find a decently economic room, but you can still find some really good rooms out there. So especially when you're not paying for them, it works out pretty well. So no complaints. Anyways, I'll probably catch you guys this weekend. I got another video I'll probably get ready to roll out. I'm gonna do some time lapse of the sunrise out here, and maybe some nighttime time lapse if I can find a nice place to hide the camera and get a good view of the sky. So if you would, hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell icon to be notified when the videos come out.